Hello everyone, today I will be talking about the signs of autism in toddlers, that is from 1 to 3 years of age. Now these days, because of the lockdown, COVID, increasing screen time, lot of children had delayed speech and other social problems. Now how to differentiate this from signs of autism? This is a rough guide which can help you decide whether your child needs further evaluation. Now starting for a child who is say 1 year to 15 months of age, at this age children should start pointing. Pointing means if they find something exciting, they will point and show it to you. Try to get your attention there. If your child is not pointing by 1 year of age or at least by 13 months of age, then this could be an early sign of autism. A child of 15 to 18 months not responding to their name. So if there are other sounds, the child will respond, but when you are calling them by their name, it's as if they don't understand that that is their name. That could be another sign of autism. If your child is not responding to her name, then please consult your pediatrician. Children with autism have delayed speech usually, so a child by 18 months should speak at least one word with meaning, and a child by 2 years should at least speak 15 to 20 words with meaning. Now what do I mean by word with meaning? Many times parents will say, oh, my child can say A to Z, can say 1 to 10, can recite the rhymes from the TV. These are not words. Words is how we communicate. For example, calling mama to their mother only. Or they may be calling mama to mother and grandmother. That is also acceptable. But if the child is calling mama to a random object, random person also, then that is not a word. Similarly, it may not be a proper structured word. For example, a child may see any animal and say bhobo. So probably they don't understand that it's bhobo is just for dog, but they may say it looking at any animal. But if the child is consistently doing that, then for that child's vocabulary it can be considered a word. Like many children and in many customs, children call water as mamam, or any liquid they call as mamam. So that is also acceptable. So by 2 years, your child should be speaking at least 15 to 20 words with meaning. From the age of 2 to 2.5 years, your child should also be able to engage and play with other children. We call it parallel play. So it's not that they will play very properly, that they will hide and the other person will find them. But if they're sitting together, they are playing together, your child should be comfortable with that. If a child between 2 to 2.5 years is not comfortable with children of their own age group, then that could be again a sign of autism, and better to consult your pediatrician for an evaluation once. Besides this, other signs of autism are your child may be having this weird hand movements, wringing hand movements, constantly moving hands in front of him or her and staring at them. Your child gets very upset if routine is not followed. For example, if you enter through a particular door in your house and for some reason that door is not able to open and you have to enter through the back door, and your child gets extremely upset, then that is a sign of autism. See, this type of behavior all children do on and off, but if you find a consistent pattern that if any change from the normal routine of your child is there, then your child gets upset unnaturally. See, little bit even we get upset if our routine is disturbed, but if you feel little bit also, if in the routine it is like here and there, your child is not able to take it, then your child does not indulge in pretend play. Now children from the age of 1 to 2 years also do pretend play. What do I mean by pretend plays? Your child will see you cooking in the kitchen, then he or she will also pretend to cook, or he will get a plate with pretend food and try and feed you or her or his doll or soft toy, and like putting the soft toy to sleep. Or if there are cars, they are playing traffic, or if there are dolls, they are having a tea party, putting the doll to sleep. If your child is not engaging in pretend play, not playing with toys the usual way, for example, your child plays with cars but he's obsessed with the wheels, he just keeps turning the wheels only, or there is abnormal stacking behavior. A child of 1.5 to say 2.5 years is obsessed with blocks, just obsessed with stacking the blocks, or they arrange the toys in a particular manner, like it should be in a straight line, or it should be sorted by a particular order. That is not normal for children of their age. So if they are doing that, it could be a sign of autism. And they don't make eye contact, or they don't make purposeful eye contact. They are not very social. They get very upset if a new person comes in the house, and they don't express emotions. For a child, supposing if you get hurt, a child of say even 1.5 to 2 years will come to you and show some concern. So if your child is not showing any appropriate concern, not showing appropriate response, behavioral response to you, for example, if the child is excited, is jumping around, hugging you, your child sees something interesting, he or she pulls you to show that social interaction you feel is lacking, then definitely go for an evaluation. Now these days what I find, most parents feel, oh, it's because of lockdown, the child didn't have social interaction, the child is watching too much screen. Yes, screen time is very harmful, so please make sure your children above 2 years watch less than 1 hour of screen, and less than 2 years absolutely no screen time. But the problem with autism is the later we'll diagnose, the less effective the treatment will be. For example, if your child at 2 years is not speaking words, not really interacting with other children, and you decide to wait, oh, let's wait till 3 years, he's just 2 years old. But the therapy started at 2 years, which will be much more effective if the therapy is started at 3 years. And there is no harm going for an evaluation. See how you take your child for an eye checkup. So similarly, you can take your eye for an evaluation for autism. If the doctor says there is no autism, then great. But if at all there is autism, timely treatment and therapy is very important. So hope this helps the parents who are noticing some of these signs in their children.